sunsets, follow streams, one life, one chance comes.
What have we here today?
We are having nice, wonderful brunch in the restaurant. It's a beautiful Silversea is offering a brunch for our wonderful guest here. Or here you go. Let's enjoy the beautiful brunch.
Thank you, Vila.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm here with Igor, who is the restaurant manager who oversees all the restaurant operations. And today
we have our beautiful brunch this morning here, actually entire morning and afternoon. So we are doing a beautiful display of different style of breakfast and lunch items here with all eggs and eggs Benedict, and we have a lot of seafood. We have nice dessert pastries. So it's a wonderful spread. And everybody is enjoying it.
So we're enjoying it. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
What do we have here today, Christian?
Today we have a lovely brunch, sea-day brunch. We have a seafood, we have a fresh eggs, omelet station, we have sushi, sashimi, we have toast, we have everything for you.
I haven't touched the desserts yet, but I'm going by.
Oh, that's the best part.
Thank you. So how did you do today?
I did too well. Omelet, muffin, honey, fruit,
A little
sushi,
And I went
and
for
berries.
I went for the whole Megillah
Uh,
and with a Bloody Mary.
YOLO Adventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance
watching, and as
comes.
always, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO Adventure! YOLO Adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.